Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. Alright, so if this is your first time of coming across to this our YouTube channel, we are Brainy Bites tutorial. Okay, so Brainy Bites tutorial. Okay, what we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, WAEC, NECO, and so many of them, right? So we give out schools latest news. So if you are any of these candidates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notification, because we are giving out updates on daily basis. All right, so that once we update, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so that you don't miss out. All right, so having said that, let's get right to the video. So topic of the day is UNICA 2024 pre-degree form. Alright, so that's what we're going to talk about today. That simply means we're going to talk about everything that concerns UNICA 2024 pre-degree form. So everything that you need to know about UNICA 2024 pre-degree form. Everything that you need to know about 2020 UNICA 2024 pre-degree form. How UNICA 2024 pre-degree form works. Alright, so that's basically what you're going to learn in this video today. Okay, so before we continue, we have a WhatsApp community that is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Okay, of course, you yourself, you can become one of our member. The only way you can become one of our member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. Alright, so I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then you message me on WhatsApp. Then after getting to know you, I will definitely have to add you to our WhatsApp group. Alright, so there in our WhatsApp group, you have access to WAEC ongoing answers. You have access to NECO, forthcoming NECO answers. You also have access to your school's updated post-UTME pass questions. Alright, so that's basically the things you're going to get from our WhatsApp group. Right, so that's having said that, we have very last one, which is next year we are going to launch our program for our 2024 admitted candidates. Our program is a financial program. It's going to help our admitted candidates in school. Of course, you and I know that the money your parents will be giving to you and your guidance will be given to you for feeding and other things is not enough to solve some problem in the school. So you need our program. It will help you, it will assist you so that you can be able to live very well while you are still in school. All right, so that's basically what we're going to help you do in school. Okay, so that's what we're going to help you to do in school. Okay, so you join us and become one of our member, and you get that. Okay, so having said all of those things, let's get right to the video. People will ask, what is a pre-degree? What is pre-degree? Okay, pre-degree is basically a 1-year academic program. Okay, so that is being organized by the institution, right? For example, UNICA. Okay, UNICA, for those that didn't know full meaning of UNICA is short from University of Calabar, right? It's short from University of Calabar. So that's the full meaning of UNICA, University of Calabar. So pre-degree is basically a 1-year program that is being organized by UNICA, all right, to prepare each students for admission. All right, so that's basically how the program is. So does UNICA pre-degree guarantees admission? UNICA pre-degree does not guarantee 100% admission. All right, then see how UNICA pre-degree admission works. If you buy UNICA pre-degree admission form this year, you are going to be admitted this same year and you will start lectures this same year. All right, so that simply means by next year you are still going to buy another JAMB form. You're still going to sit for JAMB and write JAMB. Then after writing JAMB, you also need to pass JAMB national cutoff mark. All right, so which is the one we are waiting for this year 2024 is not yet out. So you are still going to pass JAM national cutoff mark. Then after passing JAM national cutoff mark, then you also you are also going to write UNICA pre-degree final exams. Okay, so if you pass UNICA pre-degree final exams, pass JAM cutoff mark, of course you are going to gain admission. All right, so that's basically how the admission works. Okay, advantage of the pre-degree exam is that it gives you access to a full degree program that you previously couldn't qualify for. Okay, so that's it, that's the advantages, because those things are going to teach you in pre-degree is also the same things you are going to learn in year one when you get an admission. All right, so that's basically how it is. All right, so now yeah, so that's basically how it is. So if you people will be asking another question, that what if I didn't meet, what if I didn't pass pre-degree examination and pass JAMB, so will I still be admitted? Of course they want to admit you, because you have been with them and you have spent your money, about 100 and something thousand, to purchase to undergo the training. They will have to admit you, or they have to consider you, because they wouldn't want you to be depressed. Okay, so they will have to consider you, if course giving you another related course that is not the one you initially applied for. All right, so that's how they do it. Okay, so it's not a 100% assurance. So after getting on all of these informations now about University of Calabar, so you now know if you have to go for pre-degree or not, or you have to focus on your JAM or your JAM score. So if you have a very low JAM score, it's also advised for you to message me on comment section, and get my WhatsApp number. Let me know on the comment section, so it might be of help to you. All right, so if there is anything, maybe you have done pre-degree before, if there is any experience or anything you know that will help us here, also let us know in the comment section, because it will be useful to us and so many other persons out there that wants to do or wants to learn also. So you encourage them. If you have done it before, you tell them your experience, whether it was good or it was bad. All right, you tell them how it is. So of course, if you pass JAMB and pass their examination, your chances of getting admission is very, very high. All right, it's very high. So I believe that's where some persons will see, and they will talk about that is a sure gateway of admission. No, it's not a sure gateway to admission. All right, so learn all of those things and know all of these things. All right, so before you embark on your pre-degree admission. All right, so that's how it is, so that you don't waste your year and effort and resources, and so that's how it is. So this is where we ending this video today. So if you have any further question that is bothering you, that you want me to answer you, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. I'll be ready to answer all of your questions. All right, so I love you, and I love each and every member of Benny by subscribers. All right, I love you all. Keep winning.